Hey guys, it's Katy. We've officially made it to cake number 10 in my chocolate cake challenge, and we're ending the series with a plot twist, a dessert your personal trainer might actually approve of. Today I'm sharing a vegan, gluten-free, protein-packed chocolate cake recipe that's honestly too good to be this healthy. Here we go. All ingredients straight into the blender. Chickpeas, yes, chickpeas in cake. Cocoa powder, silken tofu for creaminess, some juicy dates for that natural sweetness, a spoon of vanilla sugar, and a splash of your favorite plant-based milk. High fiber, high protein, high chance of shocking your friends when they find out what's in it. Blend for a good 4 to 5 minutes until it turns into this gorgeous velvety, mousse-like texture. It's so soft and glossy, you'll want to skip the baking and just grab a spoon. But let's stay strong, we are aiming for cake, not an accidental protein smoothie. Pour the batter into your prepped cake pan, smooth it out with love or a spatula, and pop it into a preheated oven. Bake for 35 minutes, and yes, your kitchen will start to smell like a chocolate spa. Once it's baked, take it out and let it cool completely. Resist the urge to poke it. It needs its post-sauna rest. And just look at it. Perfect little chocolate cracks on top. It smells like heaven and looks like it came from a vegan cafe that charges €8 a slice. It glides right through. No crumbs, no stress, no drama. Just cake. Inside, think creamy chocolate cheesecake meets fudgy protein bar. Naturally sweetened, full of fiber, and it still tastes like a treat. It's a cake you can eat after yoga and still feel smug. If this healthy chocolate twist won your heart or confused your taste buds in the best way, drop a comment and tell me what wild baking adventure you'd like to see next. Thanks for joining me on this 10 cake journey. I need a nap and maybe just one more slice.